Before we go into building actual ad campaigns later, let's first explore what tools you will use to build those ads. And Facebook has two major tools you can use to create your ad campaigns. The first tool allows you to create ads from your business page using the promote button. The second tool is known as Ads Manager, which can be used on your smartphone through the Ad Manager app or through the web on your desktop computer. For reference, the web version of Ad Manager has the most capabilities of all the ad creation tools. We will briefly walk you through each. Advertising from a business page is the simplest way to create a Facebook ads. And it's also a great way to learn the basic of Facebook advertising. Creating an ad from your page is a three-step process. First, you click that promote button at the bottom left corner of your Facebook business page. Then you will choose a goal that aligns best with the goal for your ad. And the available goals include promoting your page, getting more website visitors, getting more leads, promote a call to action button, or boosting a post. Once you have selected the goal that is right for you, you will be asked to provide your creative, copy, a call to action button, and the URL of your landing page. Then you specify your target audience and set the budget and duration for your promotion. Finally, you hit promote now and you have created an ad from your Facebook business page. The second Facebook advertising tool is Ads Manager. And we won't focus on the Ads Manager mobile app as much as the desktop version in this course, but we will outline some of its key features for you. The Facebook Ads Manager mobile app lets you create ad campaigns on your phones, manage campaigns you have created from your business page, or using the web version of Ads Manager. See your campaign result and demographic data from your phone, and manage campaign from multiple business pages on a single screen. And the Facebook Ads Manager mobile app is particularly good for when you need to add a campaign and ads on the go, and it's available on both Android and iOS. Now, let's look at the web version of Ad Manager that you can access through your desktop computer. And creating an ad campaign with Facebook Ad Manager is similar to create one from a business page, but Ads Manager has much more powerful targeting tools and features. So it's a longer process instead. Facebook Ads Manager benefits includes being able to create and manage all of your campaigns in one place, being able to choose from all goals, also known as ad or campaigns objectives, as well as different creative option and placement availability, being able to save ads as draft to edit and publish later, and being able to use all Facebook advanced tools, including creating and using the Facebook pixel, building advanced audience targeting, and others. We will teach you more about these in the coming lessons. To access the desktop version of Ads Manager, go to facebook.com/ads/manage. So now let's have a first look at the process of setting up a campaign on Facebook Ad Manager. We will dive into the specific of each step in later videos. This is what your campaign overview screen on Facebook Ad Manager will look like. To create an ad campaigns, click the create button and then select one of the campaign objectives that are displayed here. These are more detailed version of the goals that we discussed at the beginning when creating a promotion from your business page. Depending on the objective you choose, you may be asked to choose where you want to drive your traffic to, your website, apps, Messenger, or WhatsApp. And after that, Facebook will prompt you to select your audience. You can define your audience by age, gender, location, interest, and more. We will also set up your ad budget and set up the schedule for your ad. The Facebook will ask you how and where you want your ads to appear to people, also known as the ad placements. You can place your ad across any of the available placements, including on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the audience network. We will talk more about it in a future lesson. Similar to the advertising tool on your business page, you choose how you want the actual look, and you can use one of the multiple creative formats: carousel, single image, single video, slideshow, or collection which combines images and videos. You can also choose to add an instant experience, which is a fast loading and mobile optimized experience that viewer can interact with. Finally, you place your order and pay. Facebook then check the ad against its advertising policies, and if it meets those criteria, it's run. Congrats, you have created an ad with Facebook Ad Manager. In this video, we have covered creating Facebook ads with pages and how to use Ad Manager on both desktop and through the mobile app. Next up, we will talk about where best place your ads using Ad Manager tools. See you in the next video.